Do you love the idea of serving fresh, homemade pasta at your next dinner party, but feel completely overwhelmed by the equipment? While buying boxed pasta is incredibly easy, did you know you can host an unforgettable, authentic Italian-style gathering with the right pasta maker tailored perfectly to your entertaining needs? In this video, we'll guide you through the main types of pasta makers so you can choose the perfect one for a feast that everyone will adore. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring the wonderful world of pasta makers. Finding the right machine is a fantastic way to elevate your meals and celebrate with family and friends. Let's get started. First things first, exploring manual crank machines. The manual crank machine is the original classic that clamps right to your countertop, allowing you to feed dough through adjustable rollers by turning a handle. It is absolutely perfect for making flat, rolled pasta like fettuccine or lasagna sheets for intimate gatherings of 2 to 6 guests. When you use this machine, the process itself becomes theatrical and completely quiet, giving you precise control while your guests might even want to take a turn. However, keep in mind that for larger groups, manual rolling becomes quite a physical project that slows down your prep time. So look for sturdy all-steel construction with included cutting attachments, generally priced between $30 and $120. If you're looking for the perfect starting point, our featured recommendations are the beloved Mercato Atlas 150 and the Imperia Pasta Presto. Both are renowned for their durable designs and incredibly smooth rollers, guaranteeing a flawless handmade pasta experience right out of the box. Second, upgrading to electric motorized machines. Functionally similar to the manual version, an electric motorized machine features a motor that drives the rollers, brilliantly leaving both of your hands free to guide and catch the dough. This makes it the ideal choice for solo hosts who need to produce significant quantities of flat pasta without a second pair of hands or exhausting physical effort. While the motor provides incredible consistency across long batches, it is noticeably louder, bulkier to store, and harder to clean since the motor housing cannot be submerged. When shopping in the $150 to $350 range, pay close attention to wattage and roller width to ensure it meets your regular entertaining needs. For a truly seamless upgrade, our featured picks are the heavy-duty Lello 27303,000 Pasta Master Automatic Pasta Maker, and the highly convenient Philips Kitchen Appliances Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker. These fantastic machines are specifically designed to give you quick and effortless prep, making them absolute favorites for anyone who wants high-volume results without the arm workout. Third, discovering pasta extruder machines. Working on a completely different principle, the extruder pushes a stiffer, drier dough through shaped dies instead of pressing it flat between rollers. This machine is best for casual entertaining and large family-style meals, where you want to quickly produce an impressive variety of tube shapes like rigatoni or penne that hold thick sauces beautifully. While producing large quantities of a single shape is incredibly fast, there is a real learning curve with the dough, and the intricate dies can be quite difficult to clean without soaking. Typically ranging from $80 to over $400, it is always worth looking for machines with brass dies, as they create a rougher texture on the pasta that grips your delicious sauces perfectly. If you want a genuinely smart approach to these fun shapes, our featured favorites are the Philips Pasta Maker 7000 series, the Ariete, and the Bottiglie Titania. They take the intimidation out of the extrusion process, letting you customize your favorite restaurant-style pasta quickly and effortlessly. Fourth, utilizing stand mixer pasta attachments. If you already own a powerful stand mixer, Utilizing pasta roller and cutter attachments lets you use its existing motor to drive your pasta making functions without taking up extra counter space. This option is wonderfully versatile for cooks who want to seamlessly switch between baking and making flat pasta, like tagliatelle or spaghetti. The output quality is remarkably excellent and comparable to a dedicated electric machine, making prep fast and consistent for anyone heavily invested in their mixer's ecosystem. However, these attachments only work with compatible mixers, and buying a full set can sometimes be more expensive than a standalone machine, usually costing between $70 and $200 for the attachments alone. To ensure the best build quality and seamless integration, our featured recommendations are the official KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set and the Mercado Atlas motor attachment. Built to last, these versatile tools effortlessly transform your existing equipment into a world-class pasta making station. Fifth, the convenience of all-in-one automatic makers. For the absolute fastest path from raw ingredients to finished pasta, the all-in-one automatic machine mixes, kneads, and extrudes entirely on its own with the simple press of a button. It is the ultimate solution for beginners and time-pressed hosts who want to serve fresh, extruded shapes without dealing with a steep learning curve or messy prep work. Guests are often genuinely impressed watching the pasta miraculously emerge, though you do trade some artisanal dough nuance and texture customization for this ultimate convenience. Costing between $200 and over $500, you will want to carefully check the batch capacity and total cycle time to ensure it perfectly matches your entertaining volume. When it comes to taking back your time, our featured choices are the Philips Pasta and Noodle Makers 7000 series and the Philips Viva collection. They are wonderfully convenient appliances that completely automate the heavy lifting, delivering beautifully customized shapes with practically zero manual effort. Sixth, creating art with stuffed pasta makers. Moving into specialty territory, ravioli and stuffed pasta makers utilize molds, trays, and attachments that work in tandem with your flat sheet roller to press, fill, and perfectly seal your creations. These tools are meant for hosts who want a true showpiece dish, allowing you to personalize exquisite fillings like truffle ricotta or pumpkin for a distinctively restaurant-quality experience. While nothing signals culinary effort quite like fresh ravioli with maximum visual impact, the process is undeniably time-intensive and requires significant advanced preparation for larger groups. For an investment of $15 to $80, always look for larger mold sizes that speed up the filling process and ensure a high-quality seal so your delicious fillings don't leak during cooking. Because a high-quality roller is the absolute prerequisite for stuffed pasta sheets, our featured recommendation is the KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set. This versatile option provides the reliable, perfectly rolled sheets you need to confidently prep and serve those show-stopping, custom-filled masterpieces. Finally, making your perfect choice. Choosing the right machine ultimately comes down to balancing your budget, your available prep time, and the specific types of pasta you love to serve. Whether you embrace the slow traditional craft of a manual crank, the high-speed volume of an automatic extruder, or the customized elegance of a stuffed pasta maker, each tool offers a unique way to elevate your dinner parties. Continue exploring new recipes and hosting ideas, as every gathering is a beautiful opportunity to create special memories and share incredible flavors with the people you love. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.